What you are about to witness is a hidden power. A transformative gift for reviving the broken and abandoned. On a desolate road, a journey has come to a sudden halt. For this machine and its rider, all hope seems lost. But then, help arrives from an unexpected place. She doesn't offer sympathy, but a solution. With practiced hands, she begins to dissect the problem. The engine's heart, silenced by time and neglect. Each part is carefully removed, a puzzle of steel and rust. This is more than a repair, it is a meticulous restoration. Years of grime are washed away. Every component is inspected with unwavering focus. Slowly, the machine is reborn. Piece by piece, order is restored from chaos. The final parts are secured into place. A final check, a moment of truth. The engine, once silent, now waits for a command. The work is done, a weary but triumphant glance. With a spark of life, the journey can continue. A smile of satisfaction, the first revival is complete. But her work is far from over. Her attention turns to another machine, another challenge. This time, she isn't fixing what's broken, but rescuing what's been lost. Amidst the refuse, she sees potential. A small, forgotten machine is pulled from the wreckage. It is given a new chance, a new purpose. The first step in this resurrection is a cleansing. Washing away the dirt and the memory of being discarded. Then, the real work begins. She prepares her tools, an artist before her canvas. The engine's delicate systems are laid bare. The carburetor, the lungs of the machine, is clogged. It must be clear if this engine is to breathe again. Her focus is absolute, her movements precise. A deep clean to remove every impurity. Every tiny channel is purged with compressed air. Now, the reassembly can begin. The clean, revitalized part is returned to its home. Her skill turns rust into function, decay into motion. The challenges continue to appear. Another breakdown, this time a small blue motorcycle. The process is familiar. Diagnose, disassemble, restore. They work together, tackling the intricate wiring. Tracing the flow of power, searching for the brake. The battery, the heart of the electrical system, is given attention. Soon, this bike too will be ready for the road. But the day's work is not done. A much larger problem awaits, a stranded car. The scale of the challenge has grown. From 2 wheels to 4, her skills are put to a new test. She retrieves what's needed, a fresh source of power. The lifeless car is about to receive a transplant. She begins her diagnosis of the silent engine, uncovering the layers of mechanical failure. A methodical search for the root cause, replenishing the fluids that keep the machine alive. Every piece is treated with meticulous care. She delves deep into the engine's core, wiping away the evidence of its struggle. The problem runs deeper than a simple fix. She brings out her diagnostic tools to trace the fault, connecting a lifeline from her truck to the dormant car, inspecting the smallest components for signs of failure. This is a hunt for a ghost in the machine. The search takes her to the rear of the vehicle. Working in cramped spaces, determined to find an answer. Back to the engine, a final adjustment is made. The moment of truth arrives, a turn of the key. Success, the engine awakens from its slumber. But the repairs are not over, a tire needs changing. She handles every task with the same level of expertise. Her incredible work is captured, a story worth telling. The day shifts to yet another machine in need. This time, a humble three-wheeled vehicle, vital to rural life. No task is too small, no person left stranded. It requires help just to get it to her makeshift workshop. She gathers her tools for the next operation. Her dedication to her craft is unwavering. The process begins anew, a cleansing of old parts. A new component is carefully fitted into the aging frame, tightening the bolts, securing the vehicle's future, connecting the lines that will carry its lifeblood. She moves to the body, preparing to protect it. A coat of protective oil to guard against the elements. She brings in power tools to speed up the reconstruction. No detail is overlooked in her quest for perfection. The drive system is meticulously inspected. Air blasts away any remaining debris. The frame is reassembled with skill and efficiency. Every screw and bolt is accounted for. She works with a rhythm born from countless repairs. A final check of her handiwork. The seat is installed, the vehicle now whole again. It stands ready for service. The final touch, breathing life into the tires. She helps its grateful owner, mobility restored. A rare moment of peace for the mechanic. But even in rest, she tends to her machines. And so, a new day brings a new patient. A classic Honda Dream, secured for its journey to revival. transported through the serene countryside to her workshop. The unloading is a careful, coordinated effort. Without delay, the teardown commences. Once again, the engine's core is exposed. The carburetor, once again, requires her special attention. The familiar ritual of cleansing and purification. Removing the blockages that choke the engine's power. The pristine part is ready to be reinstalled. It fits perfectly back into the rebuilt engine. The rest of the engine is given the same treatment. A complex web of parts, each with a role to play. She navigates the complexity with ease. Rebuilding with an instinctual understanding of the machine. The final components are added. The engine block begins to look whole again. A last inspection before the job is called complete. The engine is sealed, its restoration finished. The Honda Dream stands transformed, ready to ride. She replaces the old spark plug, the source of ignition, and drains the old oil, replacing the machine's lifeblood. But her journey takes her to the most difficult challenge yet. A muddy, impassable road, to trucks stranded. The environment itself has become the adversary. Without hesitation, she gets to work on the disabled truck. The conditions are brutal, but her resolve is stronger. She searches the vehicle for tools, for clues. The problem appears to be electrical. A complex network of wires holds the secret to the failure. She prepares new spark plugs, ready for a replacement. The old, worn-out part tells a story of neglect. Working inside the cramped cabin of the truck. Her persistence is relentless. The engine's wiring is a tangled mess. She meticulously repairs a frayed connection. She continues her work, undeterred by the mud and grime. Cleaning parts to ensure a solid connection. This final repair will be her most triumphant. She lies on the cold, muddy ground, reaching into the truck's underbelly. This is total commitment, body and mind focused on one goal. Searching the electrical veins for a flicker of life. The fuse box might hold the answer. Her multimeter probes the silent wires. She must trace the electrical current to its source. Even the truck's interior must be dismantled. Finally, she emerges. The work is complete. A true master of machines. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Car Repairs for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.